Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto G22 and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So first of all, let's enter the camera app. Of course, give all the permissions if you're turning it on for the very first time. And as you can see, currently we are on the standard photo mode. So first of all, we have to switch to the video one. Let's tap on the video and let's tap on it. And since it is highlighted, it is circled. What's more, if you can see this red dot inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. So now we can take a look at this option bar, and as you can see on the second position from the left, we've got the option connected to the resolution. So let's tap on it. And as you can see, after tapping, we can see 3 different options. So currently we've got 1080p option applied, probably with 30 frames per second. It is highlighted in this bluish color. So we can set a 720p option, or we can set the full screen. So of course it's up to you. And in order to set particular option, just tap on it. And as you can see, the icon here will be changed according to what you've just set, and it means that your device right now will record videos in chosen resolution. So actually this is it. This is how to change video resolution in your MOTOROLA Moto G22. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.